Hey you guys, welcome back. What a week it has been. I feel like most of your guys' accounts are probably looking good. Markets went really green the last few days. Had that big drop during those protests, and now it's just gone crazy on hopes of I don't know, stimulus, and just inflation's gonna make the market go nuts if this Biden presidency continues to follow through. I guess there's some stocks that maybe didn't do well, but my portfolio went pretty crazy this last week. We're up 6% on this Friday recap. Here's January 8th. So yeah, this has been a crazy month so far. We're up 5% just this month. Anyways, today we're up $623, 2.4%. If you have any sort of exposure to Tesla, I mean, that's probably part of the reason you'll see your account doing this week. Yeah, I mean, Tesla just on Friday was up $463 for us, which is 9 shares, and yeah, that's crazy. Our Rocket came up some, which is good. Kind of found this bottom. Square came up. O came up. ABBV is looking good. They've got, I think, earnings or announcements next week, so we'll look out for that. Of course, these Rocket buys, I could sell some covered calls on them, but I don't know. Rocket, this is kind of a risky play because it's such a slow mover. Or it has been. It IPO'd, had the huge jump, and then it dropped, and now it's just been such a slow mover. So I don't know. I'm expecting this breakout, but that's too early. But we'll see. Hopefully this doesn't go to zero. We've got quite a bit of time on it. So, but as it keeps losing value, I want to keep averaging down. But I'm like, this position's getting bigger and bigger. But that's our Rocket. 3 or 5 calls now. KO came up. GHIV even shot up today. What? 2% and then 3% after hours. This is going to merge with, I think, UWH mortgage, United Mortgage Company, and I like the mortgage space. We've got all the Rocket stuff already. Probably too heavily into mortgage, but oh well. Real estate and stock market. This one we've got a covered call on for $15, so I might have to roll that up. That doesn't expire till Friday, and this thing might, look at the GHIV chart, this thing might be at $15 by next Friday. How's it? Whoa, there's a lot of, wow, that's a lot of momentum right there. All those candles green in a row, going into after hours. This thing's gonna be crazy on Monday. They're supposed to announce their merger, so I don't know where it's gonna go. Hopefully that covered call doesn't screw us completely. I can again always roll it up, just give it more time, or we can just let it get exercised and sell out. I don't know. Wasn't really planning on swing trading in this account, but some of these might be kind of swing trades, like the GHIV, IMMR, and the VIRI. I think those I might kind of swing trade since I didn't have capital in the other accounts. As long as it's not risky in here. I'd like just long-term stuff that I buy and hold forever, but there might be some swing trades I throw on there, I guess. But yeah, this GHIV spec is looking good. Airbnb gave up a little bit. It's got kind of a weird range it's trying to find. Yeah, because it opened super high on IPO, dropped way down for days, got way up here. It's just like, this is a large range. So it looks like it's found support here. I don't know, it's 140 range, 137. And now it's trying to cross over the 180 right here, and it's just got kind of weak. I'm not sure, because I think the market was doing well. This was Friday, so yeah. I mean, this shows pretty strong momentum, so I think it's on an upward trajectory at this point. I haven't even really looked at the options on here too much. Yeah, I've got a lot of options. And then HD's up a little bit. We only have 4 shares of it. VIRI came back down, which is kind of a disappointment, but I think it found its bottom. I'm hoping it's not going to drop below this 7 something range anymore. Yeah, and it still doesn't have options. There's just not enough volume, I don't think. But it looks like it's kind of bounce, consolidating, and if it can break through the 9, can break over the 180, we can start to get some higher highs. This should look good, but so far it's looking pretty flat. I don't think it's going to keep hemorrhaging down like it has been. At least that's what I'm hoping. And then what else do we got? IMMR, yeah, they look solid today. Let's look at their path. Yep, very bullish. Very good. Bounced off this 180, the 9 bounced off the 180, and it's on its way up. We've got green candles kind of over. I don't know what the sell-off was for. I didn't really look at the market. This day was pretty bullish. This is kind of starting to maybe consolidate, slow down the run. But yeah, I like that one too. Of course, GLSI just had to do it. So we'll see. I think next week our account will probably cool off because this is just a lot of this is Tesla, and Tesla is. I mean, I guess we have to look at Tesla, right? Crazy, 7.8%. So after hours, this is kind of just glitches, these huge red candles. But we'll see. This thing might consolidate and it might keep going to 1,000. I mean, if you look on the daily chart, this is just. Let's get these huge gaps, and then it's just way above the 9 moving average. You know, once it really starts to stretch above that, then you're really in overbought territory. Oh man, this thing's crazy. And this is bringing up all the other EVs, bringing up Neo, Plug, Blink, you know, whatever one you can think of. Tesla is leading the charge with them. Tesla is now like the 4th largest company, I think, on the just in general. I don't know. It's not quite the 4th. It's something high, ridiculous high. It just passed Facebook. Wow. Elon Musk became the richest man after Tesla, I think, passed 800, which was Thursday. So richer than everyone else. Crazy. But yeah, we don't need to talk about Tesla. I'm sure you guys have heard a lot about Tesla. But that's it for the long term. Rocket calls and this GHIV covered call. We don't have any buying power. Got to figure out how to get. I mean, if I sell out of some of these ones I don't maybe want to hold long term, like well, VIRI, IMMR, I kind of want to. I kind of want to learn more about it. But VIRI, and then we'll see what GHIV does. But the rest of these I pretty much do. I want to get bigger positions in some of these more slower dividend stocks. And our shares. So I talked to Robinhood. I wonder if I can show that to you guys. Can I? Let's see. Maybe. Talk to Robinhood. And basically, I don't even show you, but they basically said, oh, we're not accepting shares to be moved into your Robinhood account at this time. So you literally can't transfer accounts into Robinhood. I don't understand that at all. Here are the percentages that they came up today. Doesn't make any sense to me. So basically, there's 100 shares on Morgan Stanley. I'm gonna move over to this ETrade account, and I'll just let those sit. I'll probably just sell covered calls on them, honestly. But yeah, this account looking all right. I need to be I want to be more risky with this account, but I want to make sure it stays above 2 grand. So once I get a little bit more of a buffer, then I'll probably go a little more risky with some of these plays, these option plays. The credit spreads are good. They're just a little slower. This one will be, that one's pretty good actually, $154. This is kind of an aggressive strike price. The Rocket credit spread, put credit spread. So basically Rocket has to stay above 19. It's been pretty consistently in a range, so I was pretty confident to stay above 19, and I think it will now. So yeah, it's had this rebound and it's looking good now. There's just not a lot of volatility, so I feel like even trading these swings, like buying calls right here, I mean, I don't know, maybe we should just do that, just the short term. I don't know why these are, I think these are saying down just because the market's closed. But yeah, the implied volatility is low, which is good. I mean, that's what you want. But then it comes up here, and then it's just, yeah, it's not a whole lot you can gain when it's expected, if you know what I mean. You want to buy options when the implied volatility is low. That means they're not paying a huge premium for them, for sure. However, you want that to change. You want that IV to go up before you sell it. You know, the higher it goes, the better. And those options will, especially the ones out of the money, like all these will go crazy if this breaks out of this resistance, and that's what people are looking for. stuff like this. There's support here, there's resistance here. If it goes up to 24 in a week or two, you know, just climbs up. Once it passes here, it's gonna, yeah, you're gonna get some IV in there. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for these buys right here. It's 26, not crazy far out of the money. Got quite a bit of time on it though. Yeah, I'm expecting those to be in the money by March. I don't know. I just think this rocket's ready to go. I'd put a bigger position on it, but well, I don't have any capital in this account for one. I don't know, but I mean these go crazy. This could be worth quite a bit. We'll see. I might. I don't know. We'll maybe just credit spread it on this account. UBXY calls and VIX calls not doing well. These probably expire worthless, unfortunately. Wish, same deal. Laser, not good. Down 96% on that. CCL put, not good. Baba call, yeah, these are all trash, man. I like credit spreads. I really do. I don't know if I get closer to the money, maybe. It's just, yeah. Anyways, that's our ETrade. It's doing just fine though. We're up today, I think, a little bit on it. And then you guys, let me show you the Webull real quick. The Webull's looking good. We're at 5,700 on it. Kind of just holding out a lot of shares in this one right now. We've got this, what is this? What? Airbnb call? Yeah, we've got an Airbnb call in here. I totally forgot about that. It's weird. I've looked at it lots. I just forget that it's there. We got this IPOC, which it was the social capital. I don't quite understand these enough, I guess. I think it's got delisted. Yeah, because it's like not on here now. It's just stuck on that. So good thing it wasn't like a huge position. We got the Smith & Wesson. This, we'll see. This is kind of a good hedge for what might come the next. It might be further out than this. I might need to get like 6 months, a year. I don't know. AMC, I don't even remember why I got into that, but we got the Bingo, AI, Blink, Annex, and Winnebago in here. So Annex is finally above our cost basis. So we'll see. I'm going to keep an eye on that on Monday. I'm not really looking to hold that long term or anything in this account, really. So we'll just swing trade it. Once it seems like it's found a top, sell out of that. AI, it's looking good. I think we'll hopefully continues this trajectory. Same with Blink. Blink's actually, this is pretty solid. Higher lows, higher highs. Little consolidation choppiness here, but that looks good. Then Bingo, thankfully it reversed. Had a big down day here. Came back up 8% though after hours. So hopefully it holds this up. And this looks like looking at the Wyckoff method, this would be the spring test, I'm hoping, right here. Boink, or it springs off and just shoots up. Winnebago, this one kind of sketches me out because it almost hit, I almost tried to broke even on it, and then it just dropped. I'm like, oh no. I don't know if I should get rid of this one yet or not. I'm hopeful because the ex-dividend date on this one's 1/12, January 12th, and typically stocks run up before then. And that might have been this run up, so it might be over, but I don't know. Hopefully Monday, Tuesday, people want to buy it before ex-dividend. And then I will sell it, and I will be happy to do so. But those are our accounts. That's our weekly recap on the long term. Webull, I don't know. We did all right this week. Can't really look at a week, I guess. 1228, 54, probably something like that. Yeah, I made a few hundred on Webull. ETrade, I don't know. Month to date, something like that. $6. All right, that's it for me, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good weekend. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down, make your money happy money so it'll stick around. We'll see you on Monday. Peace out.